The new time and expense invoicing window provides a streamlined billing process so that you can generate sales invoices for outstanding time tickets, expense tickets, and reimbursable expenses quickly and efficiently. Access this new feature clicking on the Sales Invoices icon and selecting Invoice Time and Expenses. If you navigate Peachtree using the File menu, you can select Tasks and then Invoice Time and Expenses. On the Filter Selection window, you can select an as-of date for the tickets and expenses that you would like to bill. You can then select to filter by customer or by job. Note that if you want to invoice a job record must have a customer record associated with it. Using this feature, you can invoice billable time tickets, expense tickets, and reimbursable expenses. You can also tell Peachtree whether to print the ticket description on the invoice or print the description associated with the line item. After making your selection, click the OK button to view a list of the customers or jobs that had outstanding billable tickets or reimbursable expenses. On the Create Invoices window, select the customer or jobs you want to bill. Peachtree will warn you if a customer that is being billed is over their credit limit. Click the Create button and you will be presented with the option to print the invoices now or save them without invoice numbers to be printed later. So as you have seen, the new Invoice Time and Expense feature can really help you streamline your service billing so that you can generate revenue faster. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, visit us at sageu.com.